Welcome to English Practice Every Day. In today's preposition practice video, we will understand how the preposition at is used in various contexts to indicate location, time, direction, and other relationships between things in a sentence. Let's start. Please speak out loud with me. 1. Preposition at indicating location or position is used to suggest a specific point, location, general area, or vicinity. At is used to suggest a specific point, location, general area, or vicinity. Mary works at the hospital. Mary works at the hospital. Amy is standing at the door. Amy is standing at the door. Jane is waiting at the bus stop. Jane is waiting at the bus stop. I met her at the library yesterday. I met her at the library yesterday. Jean lives at the end of the street. Jean lives at the end of the street. The children play at the playground. The children play at the playground. 2. Preposition at indicating time is used to indicate specific points in time, such as hours. At is used to indicate specific points in time, such as hours. I'll call you at lunchtime. I'll call you at lunchtime. Jerry arrived at 3 o'clock. Jerry arrived at 3 o'clock. Lisa wakes up at sunrise. Lisa wakes up at sunrise. I have a meeting at noon. I have a meeting at noon. The store opens at 9 a.m. The store opens at 9 a.m. The event begins at 5 o'clock. The event begins at 5 o'clock. 3. Preposition at indicating direction is used to show movement or direction towards something. At is used to show movement or direction towards something. Emily looked at the mirror. Emily looked at the mirror. Sam threw the ball at the wall. Sam threw the ball at the wall. The dog barked at the stranger. The dog barked at the stranger. Sophie aimed the arrow at the target. Sophie aimed the arrow at the target. Teacher pointed his finger at the map. Teacher pointed his finger at the map. They aimed their cameras at the sunset. They aimed their cameras at the sunset. 4. Preposition at indicating rate or speed is used to indicate how fast or slow something is. At is used to indicate how fast or slow something is. Ben types at a fast speed. Ben types at a fast speed. The river flows at a steady pace. The river flows at a steady pace. The train moves at a high speed. The train moves at a high speed. Jack reads at 200 words per minute. Jack reads at 200 words per minute. My dog and I walk at a leisurely pace. My dog and I walk at a leisurely pace. The machine operates at full capacity. The machine operates at full capacity. 5. Preposition at indicating activity is used to suggest engagement in certain activities or actions. At is used to suggest engagement in certain activities or actions. Vincent is good at painting. Vincent is good at painting. Adele is talented at singing. Adele is talented at singing. Agatha is great at writing stories. Agatha is great at writing stories. They are skilled at playing soccer. They are skilled at playing soccer. My friends are experts at dancing. My friends are experts at dancing. Eve is excellent at playing the piano. Eve is excellent at playing the piano. 6. Preposition at indicating age is used to denote a specific age. At is used to denote a specific age. I got married at 30. I got married at 30. Grandpa retired at 65. Grandpa retired at 65. Bill became a grandfather at 55. Bill became a grandfather at 55. Johnny started school at age 5. Johnny started school at age 5. Harry graduated from college at 22. Harry graduated from college at 22. Lily learned to swim at a young age. Lily learned to swim at a young age. 7. Preposition at indicating negative feelings is used to express negative emotions or reactions towards something. At is used to express negative emotions or reactions towards something. The cat hissed at the sight of the dog. The cat hissed at the sight of the dog. I shuddered at the sound of the thunder. I shuddered at the sound of the thunder. Maria rolled her eyes at Mark's silly joke. Maria rolled her eyes at Mark's silly joke. The children giggled at the clumsy clown. The children giggled at the clumsy clown. The students grumbled at the surprise test. The students grumbled at the surprise test. Steve sneered at the idea of helping others. Steve sneered at the idea of helping others. 8. Preposition at indicating expressions is combined with certain phrases to form prepositional phrases or expressions that provide additional information about time, location, or position in relation to another noun or verb in the sentence. For example, at the moment, at first glance, at least, at last, at the end, etc. At last the bus arrived. At last the bus arrived. At first I didn't understand. At first I didn't understand. At least we have some food. At least we have some food. At the beginning it seemed impossible. At the beginning it seemed impossible. At that moment everything became clear. At that moment everything became clear. At this point the project is almost complete. At this point the project is almost complete. That's all for this preposition practice session. Please keep practicing accurate use of the preposition at in your daily life. In our next video, we will pick up another preposition to learn and master. Bye for now.